Hello guys, so again we have a new equation where hanapin po natin ang value ni x. Okay, we have here the square root of x plus 2 times the square root of 2x plus 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So the negative 3 here or minus 3 is not included in the square root. So pag nakaka-encounter po kayo ng ganitong problem, the first thing that you have to do is to transfer po negative 3 to the other side of the equation. So basically, it will become, so ayan, nilagay ko na po siya sa kabila, okay? Because we will transfer it on the other side. So pag mag-transfer po kayo ng negative to the other side, it will become positive. So kaya makita nyo dyan, 3 na lang po yung nakalagay. And then the next thing is we have to square both sides. Kasi po may mga square root. May square root dito ito and ito. Okay, may mga square root po, kaya i-square po natin both sides. Kasi yung square root is equal to 1/2. Okay, so let's square both sides. Okay, raise natin to 2. Again, the square root is equal to 1/2. So, if i-square natin siya, or raise natin siya to 2, nakakancel po yung square root. Okay? So, if is this 1 to 2, makakancel po yung 2 at saka yung isang square root dyan. So, ang matitira is, mawawala yung first square root or the outside square root. So, x plus 2. And then, yung inside square root na lang. 2x plus 3. Tapos, 3 raised to 2 is 9. Okay? So, 9. And then, before we will square again, kasi meron pang isang square root na natira, we will transfer x, ito, to the other side. So, kasi positive si x dito, if we will transfer it to the other side, magiging negative x. Yan. So, let me rewrite it. So, we will transfer it to the other side. So, ang matitira po dito is si 2 na lang. Tapos, yung si 2x, yung nasa loob ng square root plus 3. And then, si 9 minus x. So, that's the time na pwede ulit natin itong erase to 2. Okay? Erase natin siya to 2. And then, if we will raise to 2, kasi multiplication naman yung nandyan, so we can distribute 2 to both. Okay? So, magiging 2 squared, tapos itong isa, yung square root, ganyan. So, you can write it like this. Okay? And then, 9 minus x raised to 2. So, 2, this one, 2 raised to 2 is 4. So, lagyan natin dito, 4. And ito, merong square root tayo ulit, and 2. So, makakancel po yan. Okay, so what is left is itong si 2x plus 3. And then, this side, ito, if you remember, meron po tayong video about FOIL method. So, you do the FOIL method at tingnan nyo if parehas po tayo ng answer. The FOIL method, the first, inside, outside, and last. So, if you do the FOIL method dito, so ito, magpo-FOIL kayo ha. So, you can do it on your end at tingnan natin if parehas po tayo ng answer. So, if you do the FOIL method, ang answer po niyan is 81. Okay, minus 18x plus x squared. Kasi 9 yung 9 ito, 9 times 9, 81. Okay, tapos negative yung nandito, so 9, negative 9, x plus negative 9x is 18x at saka ito, x squared. So, ganyan. Tapos ito, we will multiply or distribute it kung ano yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. So, magiging 8x plus 12. So, magiging 8x plus 12 yan. Dito, copy lang natin as is lang siya. 81 minus 18x plus x squared. So, ang gagawin natin dito is, i-combine natin yung mga like terms. So, let's, itong 8x plus 18x. So, we can actually pwede din i-transfer natin siya. Okay, let's just first transfer. So, as you can see, na-transfer ko na po itong 81, inilagay ko dito on the sides, as you can see. Tapos itong 8x, inilagay ko on the side. So, from positive, magiging negative po yan. Ito rin, from positive, magiging negative. Kasi we transfer it to the other, or transpose it to the other side. So, if, ano na natin siya, 12 minus 81, so 12 minus 81 is, negative 69. So, we will write here negative 69. Tapos, 18, negative 18x. Copy nyo lang po yung x. Okay, kasi same po sila ng variable. Tapos, itong negative 18 minus 8, that will be equal to negative 26. Yan siya. Tapos, copy lang natin po c plus x squared. Okay, so we will rewrite it here. That's x squared. Okay, so that's x squared minus 26x is equal to negative 69. Okay, so as you can see, ito na po yung ating equation. So, ang gagawin natin, ita-transpose ko po itong si 69 dito. Okay, so magiging x squared minus 26x. Tapos, magiging plus na siya, plus 69 equals, wait lang. Okay, lagyan natin ng equals 0. Bakit ko siya nilagyan ng space? Kasi, hindi po ito mafa-factor agad-agad. Kailangan po ninyo mag-completing the square. Okay? Meron din po tayong video about completing the square. Okay, so, pagko-complete natin ng square, kukunin lang natin itong coefficient ng ating second term, which is this time is 26. So, that's 26 divided by 2 squared. So, basically, that is 13 squared. Okay? So, yung 13 squared ay ilalagay natin dito. So, kung mag-a-add po tayo ng 13 squared dito, we will also minus 13 squared dito na side. Okay? Ayan siya. So, pag 13 squared, so ito, meron na tayong, ayan, pwede na po natin yung factor, no? May factor na po tayo sa x squared minus 26x plus 13 squared. Dito po, if you have scientific calculator, you can use your scientific calculator. Ayan, so I will use my scientific calculator. Or if nahihirapan pa rin po kayong kumuha ng factor ng gamit ito, completing the square, you can just use your scientific calculator. So, ito nga, i-transpose nyo lang yung negative 69 on the other side. So, magiging ganito yung mukha. X squared minus 26x plus 69 equals 0. Tapos, input nyo lang po sa inyong calculator. So, I'll show you how to input it on your calculator.